Bob, it was just a great day here on the Suncoast. I mean, not a cloud I saw. I mean, I know early in the morning.
In the morning we did have some clouds, around. We had some residual clouds from that cold front that moved through, but the afternoon certainly did clear up. And then we had some clouds late this evening, just around sunset. Casey Key showing those beautiful blue skies throughout most of the afternoon. And you'll notice in the last frame there or so, the clouds come in with a little bit of a secondary push of some cooler and drier air. You get those clouds off in the distance right there. No rain associated with them. It's a perfect night. And then, obviously, a lot of photos sent into pics, PIX at mysuncoast.com. And here are just a few. Anna Maria. Mary has some visitors in and got out to Anna Maria and got that shot. And you can see those clouds around with Sarasota Bay, Bonnie getting this one and sending it. And David Schuster showing the sun setting there in Longboat Key and Lido. Nice clouds with some crepuscular rays there showing up. We are looking at some windy conditions earlier, but those winds are starting to lay down a little bit. Much milder out there, a little higher in Anna Maria at 13, but generally 5 to 10 miles an hour up and down the coast. You can see that at 9 at Manasota Beach, Warm Mineral Springs at 4, Northport the same. Out of the west-northwest, now those winds won't be all that strong tomorrow, and they'll still stay out of the north, and so that humidity will stay pretty nice throughout the day. You're going to enjoy tomorrow's weather. We're going to see a lot of sunshine too, I suspect, and for the remainder of Thursday, we're looking for a warmer day. Winds will switch around a little bit more to an easterly direction, and that humidity will start to slowly come back up. You'll really notice it on Sunday of the weekend. Well, the day planner tomorrow looks good, fantastic, 76 at the area beaches with lots of sunshine. We'll start off into the low to mid 60s in most places, and then we'll again warm up a little bit more so on Thursday. Well, that low pressure area is slowly budging to the northeast right now. The attendant cold front stretching all the way down to near just off of Miami, and that is causing some big storms over the Bahamas or the northern Bahamas. Not much else going on here around our area. It will stay that way too. Dry conditions are anticipated for the next couple of days, and then things start to change a little bit, and you'll see that in the European forecast model. We're looking good tomorrow. As I mentioned, high pressure builds in. It shifts off to the east, and here comes a cold front. It's a weak one. There's not a lot with it. There's some rain right there depicted by the Euro, and then it slips down on into Friday midday, and then we'll see a chance for showers. There are a few scattered showers around. The rain chances not all that high on Friday. Even Saturday, a secondary front follows that one, and it gets close to us on Saturday morning, so a chance for a few showers on Saturday morning. But Sunday looks good, and most of Saturday looks good too. And then the trend, the long-range trend, is calling for warm temperatures throughout all of next week with highs back into the mid to upper 80s. 69 right now, then the humidity at 73%. Winds are out of the northwest at 8, and the high today did manage to get up into the actual upper 70s. 79 was the high, 82 is our normal, 91 the record set in 2002. Well, nationally, the story has been this slow-moving low-pressure area, which promises to bring a lot of rainfall to the northeast. And for us, this thing continues to push away, but we'll watch this storm system right here. This is the one that's eventually going to swing a cold front our way, as I mentioned, on Friday, and then another one on Saturday. So for boaters tomorrow, looks okay. Seas running right around 2 feet, and it could be up to 3 feet, a little bit offshore. Light chop on the bays and inland waters. They winds out of the northwest at 10. The water temperature now at 78 degrees. That's really starting to warm up. The forecast tomorrow, high of 79, sunshine. Same on Thursday, just a little bit warmer. Humidity pops back up a bit on Friday. There's not enough moisture to really work with this front, so we'll keep the rain chance at 20%, a little higher, 30% on Friday night. This 20% chance of rain is Saturday morning mainly, and then we'll look for a decent weekend. Again, high temperatures into the mid-80s as we get into Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, and even beyond. Long-range forecasts indicating that we'll stay fairly warm throughout the entire work week next week. Jacqueline?
Okay, Bob, pleasant weather. Thank you.